Today is Friday evening and I have a dinner planned with my boys. But before going out with my boys, I'm meeting up with Shefali because that is what cultured men do. What's the plan? What do you want to do?
I want to eat something.
She wants to eat something as always, guys. So we are right now at Food Stories supermarket and we'll walk around, see if we can grab some small bite and then I'll take leave from here. I'll go meet my boys. I'm meeting Sharan and Aftab. I don't know if you guys know them. I haven't met them in a long time, but they are from my school. We are all classmates and we're meeting up after a long time. What do you want from here, chef?
This chocolate chip cookie.
Where is it? Oh, we'll get it.
How much is it? 225. Okay.
Also probably 500 calories.
We'll check, na?
So that's a 70 gram cookie, 500 calories per 100 grams. So how much is it for 70 grams?
I don't know, do the math. Look at the sticky thing. Show them the sticky thing.
Oh, you got that sticky thing?
Yes.
Guys, Shefali is gonna start making reels. Onions are 130 rupees kg right now. What?
Rich people onion.
Really?
Do they have a mini onion inside them? How
Mini
much
onion sounds like minion.
is minion? How much is the actual price of it? I don't know.
Check, no? Open Big Basket or Blinkit.
It's the wrong place to open it, by the way. Your actual price is this Sabzi Mandi type of place, right?
It's okay, just check Blinkit, no?
I'm guessing it's 40 rupees.
So you're saying these guys are marked up by 3 times? 1 kg gold price in India.
Oh.
Yeah, show. Show what you just searched. Guys, this girl is real psych. Guys. Yeah, 1 kg gold. How much is it?
Are
1.6 cr. Huh? You wanted to eat something? How about you eat this, chef? Try me.
They look
Sesame
nice,
chili
no?
noodles.
I'll try it.
Try, go for it. Any good?
You can skip.
There are more noodles here on the other side of the store. I think we can just keep getting small bites here for free. I asked them, do they serve this in the restaurant? They don't. Basically, it's just these are the products that they're selling and they've shown the final product. कि ऐसे बन के आएगा. Bobby's trying out the flat rice noodles for free. The sesame noodles are better.
Really?
Bro, the amount of oil in this is insane. Just look at that.
And soy sauce.
You want a bite?
Yes.
I finished everything, sorry.
Little.
There was only veggies.
I don't want.
Did you like it? No, huh? Only veggies I gave her, guys.
Bro, I want this. Can you buy me this?
Take it.
Have you ever had pretzels before?
Never actually.
Yeah, so we should definitely try it.
Today for the first time.
Yeah. Bro, you know what we should do? We should come here, do a snack haul, and then do a video.
Bro, they've kept protein also.
That's
Garlic, paneer and tofu.
Oh, we gotta have it.
Take one. गरीबी देख रहे हो guys हमारी. जो दिख रहा है उठा के खा रहे हैं.
Are you gonna buy me the whole store after this?
हाँ, very good. Drop everything.
Dude, you need to help me.
Give. I'll hold you eat.
Okay, best.
Alright, Bobbies, let's try the pretzels. First time that I'm trying pretzels. They're tiny, bro. Is this the actual size?
These are mini.
These pretzels taste exactly like that 50-50 time pass biscuit we used to eat.
It's called Time Pass.
Yeah.
There's salt in this.
Sea salt. I'm going out for dinner with the boys, but I have to do a small dinner with Shefali as well because Friday hai, right? It's Friday date night for her as well.
Oh, that's a big dinner actually.
If you skip the guac, just stick to the rice and chicken. It's just carbs and protein.
You know what this is reminding me of?
Tell me.
Do you remember that Lolo Rosso?
In Goa.
Yeah.
Ah.
North Goa mein.
Should we go to North Goa?
No.
No, South only. Alright, Bobbies, let's eat. Let's start with the chicken. This is at least 25 grams of protein.
It looks not that appetizing at all.
It's fine. It's still protein. You won't like it. It's a little dry.
It's literally like an eraser.
You can leave the chicken if you don't like it. I'll eat it. I mean, yeah, it's not the best chicken, but like, it gets the job done.
This is tasty.
Don't forget you're eating at a supermarket. Chicken might not be the best, but you can't deny that rice is very flavorful.
Amazing bowl.
Bro, that meal was dinner in itself.
So are you not going out now?
I still have to go meet the boys.
Do you think I'll fall?
Guys, Shefali is being a little adventurous. Wow, what a jump.
Come.
I can't jump.
Hey, shut the fuck up.
My knee is injured.
Dude, shut up, bro. Don't be a spoil sport.
My knee is injured. If I jump and it
Excuse
aggravates...
this.
No.
Okay, you can step down. It's not that difficult.
What if my knee pain flared up? Would you take care of me after that? I don't know about taking care of me, but she's taking care of herself. What is this band-aid for?
Shoe bite.
What bite?
Shoe bite.
Oh,
What did you think it was for?
I don't
For
know.
your mouth?
Oh, I gave you a mouth bite.
Disgusting. Don't show them my feet. Cut it.
Are these the shoes that we bought together?
Yeah, everything that we bought together sucks.
Guys, Shefali had an event today at IIM Bangalore and now she wants to join that college. Why, boss?
Bro, it's too pretty. Like, it's filled with trees and it's so big. Like, to reach from one place to another, at least it's 1 kilometer minimum.
Okay, but
Yeah.
you can drive inside campus.
Yeah, you can drive inside campus, but
Okay.
I walked because, I wanted to explore the campus and it just made me feel like, fuck, I should have studied harder in life, man.
We can still do an MBA, you know.
My grades are not good enough to get into IIM, right? Grades matter, like 11th, 12th, 10th, everything matters.
Mine are fine, I could try.
I don't think so. Do you have a 95?
No, 95 I don't
No,
have.
that's what. And
But-
engineering, huh? Engineering?
Engineering marks also they see.
Yeah.
Oh.
But I feel like you have a higher scope of getting into it than I do because you're an influencer and shit.
Okay. Oh, they have an influencer MBA campaign also.
No, they don't. But I think they give preference to people who have done something unique in life.
How about this, bro, chef? We sit, study, and we both get into a college and then become students again.
So that I can date someone else.
Why would you say something like that?
Bro, because I've heard these IIT and IIM people, I mean, they all find relationships and marriages inside the campus.
That is why I'm saying that we'll both go to the same class. Okay, guys, we're dropping IIM idea. Can't trust Shefali in a classroom with other boys.
Who are extremely smart. Who are the top 1% of the country.
Am I not the top 1%?
Are you?
I don't know. What is the top 1% of the country?
I mean, academically, I'm saying.
Oh. Academically, I'm not, guys.
Yeah, definitely neither of us are.
Alright, Bobbies, it's time to drop off Shefali. Or more like, she's dropping me off so that I can go meet with the boys. Where are you heading to?
Home.
No-
I'm a good girl.
No gym.
Good girls go to gym. I'm not a good girl.
Alright, Bobbies, I've now come to Domlur to meet up with the boys. That's right, Domlur. Because we're going to this Italian restaurant called as Rose Marino. So this Rose Marino restaurant is in Carlton Towers. It's the first time I'm going here. Hopefully it's good. Meet Yuvraj.
Assalamualaikum भाईजान हम दुबई से आए हैं
Yes, Yuvraj is working in Dubai and he's come down to meet up with us.
Yeah.
Why? Because he's getting married. Congratulations.
I don't want the vlog to know bro.
Oh, you don't want them to know?
No.
I'll be attending your wedding.
All the girls that I watched
Babs is watching, boss. And say hi to Aftab and Sharan.
season 1 characters.
Season 1 characters,
one.
yes. But they must have forgotten by now.
Who? Viewers
Yeah.
Trying to refresh the memory bro.
Because all new viewers now, right?
I saw a Reddit post about saying why is OK Mohit in Indranagar?
There's a Reddit post on me, though. That's crazy, dog.
Why are you in Indranagar all the time?
Because Yuvraj lives there.
Yeah.
And
Sharon lives there.
Sharon also lives there.
Give the address.
Alright, Bobbies, let's try the pizza here. This is a margarita pizza. Why are you guys laughing?
We just looked up at both sides.
But isn't it worthy? Yuvraj, how is it? How was the dinner?
It was fantastic. I loved it. Highly recommend this place, everyone. It's in the building that burned down, so try it.
Can you tell us more about that, Yuvraj?
I feel the souls around me.
When did this building burn down?
My childhood. I was playing golf one day and I got news that people are jumping off a building.
No, the bill is here. Appos, please go to the washroom and come back.
How much?
5428. But the wine only was $3,000.
So, Bobbies, this is the Carlton Tower, which apparently burned down a few years back. I was not aware of this information. And there used to be a corner house here before that. Bobbies, we've come to Corner House.
Corner House, the epitome of joy, happiness.
What's your usual order at Corner House?
Hot chocolate fudge, 2 scoops.
You know, I have a new order. I get hot chocolate malt. Oh no, chocolate malt fudge. Chocolate malt fudge, that's the name.
What's that? What happened?
I'll show you what it is.
Can we try it today?
So, Bobbies, this is the malt chocolate fudge. Afu, your first time, right?
I saw my first time.
It's going to be heavenly, bro. Put these nuts in your mouth.
Never forget your first time.
Never forget your first time, bro. Go for it.
Okay.
Sugar free.
How was it?
Can't say no to nuts.
Yo, Sharan. Have you tried this malt?
No, but I'm going to give you a very stoic expression. I'll not react. You'll not know how I feel about it.
Give it a rating though.
You'll not know anything, bro. I'm just going to be so nonchalant about it. It's so good, bro.
And Yuvraj's gone for a sugar-free vanilla. Why?
I'm on Mohit's fitness plan. Please join.
All right, Bobbies, it's time to leave. Say bye. Say bye, Aftab. Yeah. I'm walking to the metro, Bobbies. I'm going home in the metro.